guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video we'll be doing an unboxing for Pinchme. It's a Pinchme unboxing time, and if you guys don't know what Pinchme is, it is a company that sends you samples for free, and all you have to do is do like a little questionnaire for them for each sample, but totally free. If you guys want to sign up, I'll put the link down in the description so you guys can sign up, and you just sign up for samples once a month on Sample Tuesday, and if you qualify they'll send you products. So I haven't looked inside to see what I have, and I also didn't check the website to see what they were going to send me. So we're gonna like open this up, and without further ado, enough of me talking, and like always, like, subscribe, and share. Now on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, so for the first product, it is dun dun dun, Better the Paste, Better the Planet. It is fully charged. No worries exist in the toothpaste. Oh, it's toothpaste. No matter who you are, how you do, the better will come to you. Just brush, brush, brush. It's all you have to do. It is betterandbetter.com. So it's called Better and Better toothpaste. Well, that's cool. I like that his little travel size is perfect for traveling. I could have used this when I went to Vegas. But these are cute. This is no sulfates, no parabens, no gluten, no GMO, no plastic microbeads, no hydrated silica, no carrageenan, no triclosan, no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, and no animal products. So cruelty-free and vegan. Super cool. The next product is what every mom needs. Next Care Bandages. This is Tegaderm and Pad. It is waterproof, and it absorbs the blood. Shower-proof, holds up to 7 days. It blocks bacteria, prevents scrapes and cuts from, like, you know, opening up more. Oh, that's super cool. That's that. Next, it is, ooh, I see some thing I'm gonna eat and hide it from my kids. Some Haribo. It's like stuck in the top. Some Haribo Gummy Bears. If you don't know what these are, you didn't have a childhood. Us 90s and 80s people. Next, it is from Moroccan Oil. It is an all-in-one leave-in conditioner. Ooh, it says it's for hydration. This is a good brand. It's for all hair types. So that's super cool. It's a cute little bottle. Last but not least product is Sun Filter Clean Screen for Face. Natural Mineral Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum 30. Ooh, sunblock. And the brand is called Bio Clarity. It is a sun filter protection that does everything under the sun. And then there's a code, 20% off with code Pinchme. So if you guys want to get 20% off this product, you can use the code Pinchme to get that deal. I don't know how long that code lasts, but that's cool. You know, I've seen this bottle before, sun filter. Everything in my Pinchme box, so it's just samples that you get. Sometimes you get bottles, or they have giveaways a few times a month and you can win prizes. I've won full-size prizes like at least 3 times, or if you're selected to like review a specific product, you get a full-size product, and I've gotten that several times in the span that I've been doing Pinchme, if you guys already know, if you've been following. But yeah, so that was everything in my box, and again, I'm going to put down the link below so you guys can sign up and get your free samples. Every month it's different, and you have to qualify. Usually it's not really hard to qualify, but you just have to make sure you're like the first few to hop on the samples. There's many times where I'll get the email that says, oh, your samples are available, but it was like 2 hours ago, and then I go and like there's no samples available anymore, and I'm like, come on. But yeah, so if when you sign up, make sure you pay attention to those emails and get those free samples, because I'm so upset. I literally just missed when they had like a special one, and I was like qualified for it, and then I didn't see it in time, and it was over in like 20 minutes, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. Again, sign up for Pinchme. I put a link down below. And have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and share. Have a good day. Please, please, please stay safe out there. Bye now.